What up, YouTube? It's your boy back, Keith Hammer from Rolling on 3 Wheels. Gonna do a quick unboxing video for you guys. Stay tuned. If you missed my big announcement on my live stream, it was just to let you know that Can Am and BRP has made me a brand ambassador for 2019. Sent me an email telling me that they like the podcast and they like what I'm doing, so they decided to make me a brand ambassador. Which that means is I'll be bringing out products, future products from Can Am and BRP, debuting them to you guys, and also I'll be able to get your feedback, and they'll be asking me questions on what the Can Am, Ryker, and Spyder community is looking for Can Am products, and hopefully I'll be able to bring you some exclusive content also. So without further ado, since it's nice outside, let's do this unboxing from the first item I have got from Can Am. Alright, YouTube, here's the box I got directly from Can Am to BRP. Comes sealed with their label and all their brands on here from BRP. Let's open this bad boy up. Okay, what we got here is some packing materials. Don't need that. An invoice from BRP. Can Am All Element Dry Backpack by Ogio. O-G-I-O. Take it out. It comes in another bag. Let's unbox it. Put that over there. Bag out. Okay. So what we have here is a Can Am all-weather backpack, all element dry backpack by Ogio. We got completely waterproof roll top, 360 degrees reflective screen print, quick access front zipper stash pocket, removable high visibility liner. Laptop sleeve fits most 15-inch laptops and a tablet sleeve. It also gives the specifications. It's 25 inches high when it's rolled, 10.5 inches wide, and 6 3/4 deep, and it weighs about 2.5 pounds. So this is the bag. Nice construction. It has an airflow system, so it doesn't sit directly on your back. The air will flow out as you're riding. We got a handle here, adjustable straps, the BRP logo, the O-G-I-O, if that's how I'm saying it, logo. It's well made. You can tell it's a nice canvas. The interior of the bag is a reflective lining with many pockets. I can see that inside unzippers. There's also lining in there, more padding, nice weight, feels pretty good. Can Am logo on it, so it's nice, reflective, nice weight, very thick, durable. Got a side handle on this side, a side handle on that side, another handle. Everything seems to be is a sturdy bag, so I'm gonna put it on and show you what it looks like on my back. Alright, YouTube, so I put some stuff in the bag to give it a little weight. I'm gonna try it on, and you guys tell me what you think. Have it on. I have a laptop in there and some other camera equipment. This is how the bag is. Flat down, sits up high. It has to lock across the chest, extra straps to go across the waist. Feels real comfortable. Feels like almost like a hiking bag. Like it's got that kind of comfort to it. So this is the bag. You guys let me know what you think. Okay, so here's the interior. This is the lining. I'm gonna see if I can zip it out. and show you what I mean by removable reflective lining. Hopefully I'll be able to get it back in, but so which is a cool feature, is this whole lining comes out and you have a reflectable, I guess this is like a bag. So you seal it, or if you need to put it on something, you have an orange safety, and then you still have the bag here, and now you have this orange safety. I'm assuming you could put it on something just in case you gotta let people know you're out there. So this is a very cool feature. Just one of the good things I have to say about the bag. This is not promoted by Can Am. This is just a product review, and this is my honest review of it. Once again, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, follow.